Next, once you get the sections cut, by cutting along the seam, you want to go to the inside and finish removing the dividing layer. I don't know what it's called, I forget. But this dividing layer that's made of a more whiter part of the vegetable. You don't exactly want to eat that. It also usually only grows where it divides. And that's actually where the stem and seed section hangs from. I'm also trying to be a little quick because the phone's going to screw up again. Now if you're cutting it into strips, most recipes will call for 1/4 inch strips. Because this recipe is not actually asking for strips, it calls for 1/2 inch. But basically what you want to do is put your knife somewhere along the middle and the edge that you're going to be cutting, and then you can actually adjust how much you're cutting by angling or rotating the pepper. And now let's say, for instance, you did cut strips, but you actually, in this case like me, needed pieces. You can just cut them approximately based on their volume or surface area, like I mentioned before. So you have pieces that will roughly match what you're trying to do. Also, if you cut too thick of a slice and you're trying to cut thinner, it's a little more difficult, but you can basically just hold it like that very carefully and then just carefully cut along, keeping an eye on where the blade is relative to your fingers until it's mostly through the pepper, and then you can just hold it by part of it. This recipe doesn't have very many ingredients, so we're most of the way there as far as prep goes. I would end the video here, but considering it's fought me so long, I might as well just finish the pepper. And just like that, that's all done. I'm still really concerned about this spinach. Alright, that's it for this video.